Alam niyo ba guys, this HANNA unit here at Minami Residences has so many characteristics that you guys should consider when buying a property. This unit has a wider space outside that is good for 2 to 3 cars. And it has a wider living room area with so much natural lights, which I personally like it. It has 2 toilet and bath and 3 bedrooms, and with a very spacious service area located yan at the back of this unit. HANNA has 54 square meters of floor area and 80 square meter naman sa lot area niya guys, and with a provision for future expansion. In the video guys, ang nakikita nyo is the sample dressed up unit nitong si HANNA. If you want to know more about HANNA unit, nasa comment section yung full tour video for this unit guys. Check it out. For briefings and viewings, just send me a private message or comment down below. I'm Tony Zanigo, your property advisor dito sa Minami.